Hi guys, let me show you how you can sew your rope for your Ankara elastic waistband. Okay, let me show you how you can achieve this. So let's go. Something like this. How you can achieve this? How you can achieve this? You know, this is our elastic waistband shirt. So I want to show you how you can achieve that. Okay, I'll have a tutorial on this. It's on my channel. You can go and check it out. So you get our plain fabric. Now what I normally use is I normally use length 60. Yes, my length is 60. So what we have here, this is 29. So I'll get my choke. I'll fold it into two like this for easy cutting. Then I'll mark 2 inches. 2 inches wideness. I'll cut. Remember I told you guys we are working with length 60. I don't mean yours is 63, it's no problem. Can you let? Then I'll place this again here. I'll keep this aside. I'll go over to the machine. I'll join this to make a long rope. It's already a long rope. Now let's say it is. I'll go to the machine. I'll fold this way. Fold again this way. Then I'll fold like this. And I'll fold this way. Fold again this way. Then the third one. Then I'll stitch it down. Guys, so this is it. This is it. We are done with this. Can you see? So now the next thing we are going to do, see this other side, we're going to run a stitch down. So let me do that, and our rope is ready. You see, it's very simple. It's very simple. So this is it. So all we need to do now is to get the front of our shirt, which is the front, get the center, and we pass it straight. By then we must have weaved round, then we pass it straight. So check out for my next video on how I was able to achieve this. Thank you.